All right, happy Monday. Here's the rundown for PCM for May 11th through May 15th. Today, Monday, you have your quiz review for sections 7.1 and 7.2. If you need help, there is a video tutorial that's also posted on Schoology that you can take a look at. Tomorrow, on Tuesday, I will run a help session at 10 a.m. Use the access code PCM Kosanki on Google Meets. I'll be there for any questions on the review or quiz prep questions you may have. On Wednesday, I will post your quiz at 11 a.m. It will be live from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Schoology. It is due by 7 on Wednesday. If you have any conflicts, work-related or other activity-related, just shoot me an email and we'll make that work and make arrangements accordingly so you can get that handled. But again, quiz on Wednesday will be live on Schoology from 11 a.m. until 5 p.m. On Thursday, we will have our Day 1 notes for Section 7.3, and that is how to find an inverse of a square matrix. Along with that, you'll have homework assignment 7.3 Day 1, and that will be due on Friday. I will do a second help session on Friday, also at 10 a.m., in case you have any questions on that Day 1 homework from 7.3. So that's your week. And again, as always, if you need anything, any help or assistance, shoot me an email, and we'll go from there. All right, thanks.